Struggling to pick the right baking niche for YouTube? With so many options, it's easy to get stuck, but if you don't choose the right niche, your channel might never grow. Today, I'll show you 3 simple steps to find the perfect niche so you can start creating videos that people actually want to watch. First, ask yourself, what type of baking do you love most? Do you enjoy baking cakes, sourdough bread, or pastries? Maybe you prefer quick and easy desserts, gluten-free baking, or traditional recipes. The key is to choose a niche that excites you because YouTube is a long-term game. If you pick a niche just because it's trendy, you'll burn out fast. Next, let's make sure people actually want to watch videos in your niche. Go to YouTube and type in keywords like easy cake recipes or sourdough for beginners. Look at the top results. Are there lots of views and comments? That means people are actively searching for this content. But here's the secret. If the top channels only have a few videos but are still getting tons of views, that's a goldmine niche. Less competition, high demand. Finally, ask yourself, what makes you different? Your niche needs a unique twist so you don't blend in with thousands of other baking channels. For example, instead of cake recipes, 5-minute cakes for busy people. Instead of sourdough, sourdough for beginners with no fancy tools. Instead of desserts, guilt-free desserts under 100 calories. This small change helps you stand out and attract the right audience. Still not sure which niche to pick? I've put together a free PDF with 101 baking niches to help you decide. Just click the link in the description to download it now.